this problem, we let f of x equal x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. In part A, we are asked to find f of 3, and all we have to do is plug in 3 for x. So the new function would be 3 squared minus 9 divided by 3 minus 3. And we all know that when you have anything that equals 0 on the bottom, then the function is undefined. So the first part of this problem is D and E. So the next part is okay, so for part B, we have to find the limit of f as x approaches 3. So here I made a chart from all the x value, or some of the x values approaching 3 from the left. So I just picked 4 random numbers: 2, 2.5, 2.9, 2.99. I did the same thing for x as it approaches 3 from the right. I just picked 4 random numbers. So here on the calculator we can see that when we plug in an x in our formula, our 2 is equal to 5. And for 4, it's 7. And then I'm going to reset the table. So it's starting at 2, and it goes every 0.5. And we're going to look at the table again. So at 2.5, it's 5.5. 3.5, it's 6.5. Let me reset the table here. For starting at 3 and going every 0.1. Look at the table again. At 0.59 and 0.31 is 0.61, and you can see as it approaches 3, it's telling us it's an error. So one more time, we're gonna reset this the table to test for 2.99 and 3.01. So we'll do that. Second table. So 2.99 is 5.99, and then for 3.01 it's 6.01. So looking at these values here on the these charts, as we approach 3 from the left, then we're getting closer to 6. So this is approaching 6. And then as we're approaching it from the right, as we plug in closer values that get closer and closer to 3, we see that it gets smaller and smaller. These y values do, until they get as close as possible to 6. And so that is the answer to the limit. So the limit as x approaches 3 of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 is 6. Alright? Very well.